There is now a super easy way for Philippine businesses of all sizes to boost traffic and grow online store sales with Google Ads. Using Google Ads conversion tracking in your online store is a great way to increase conversions and retarget customers. How does Google Ads conversion tracking and Prosperna work together? First, get your product in front of people with the intent to buy, based on Google keyword search terms. Second, Google will remarket and display targeted ads directly to previous website visitors of your online store when they visit other Google Display Network websites, or when they search for related terms. Third, when you combine Google Ads conversion tracking with Google Analytics, you'll get deeper insights into buyer behavior and measure interactions with your website. Start growing your online sales with Google Ads conversion tracking and Prosperna today. And guess what? There's absolutely no coding experience required. Want to give it a try? Just comment Google Ads and I'll send you the details.